catch it.
Come on. Come on, baby daddy. You guys, Ashley, sit still.
Go, baby!
What the hell?
No, Nick always says baby. Go, baby, go! He's calling your dad.
Come on, baby daddy.
Baby, you're not doing it.
He said, baby, you're not doing it.
He said, baby, daddy. No, baby.
Let's see those flags, kids. Check the flags, guys. Little Pickett running hard. 1 lap down, a 7-lap timed event. Boy, he's hitting them hard. That Toyota's running hard. Getting up on 2 wheels here. There's a lot of bumps over there. That's a washboard right there in the far back stretch. Coming hard, 2nd lap in. 2 laps in, that rider, he just bouncing everywhere. That's a big point there. Hope he don't come flying out. Look at him go. Let's cheer him on, guys. All right, 3 laps in. Oh, we got some flying out there.
He's losing pieces.
Cheer them on, guys! Kids, wave those checker flags!
It's gonna hurt so bad.
He's coming out, he's got a good race going here. He got a good time going. Here he is on the final lap. Here we go. What a great run that was, I'll tell you what. 1.59, you're a winner. In the Tough Truck Challenge. You gonna know what freestyle here?
No.
Yuma with 1.51. Beats the 1.59 in the final round of Tough Truck Challenge.
1.5. Oh shit, I can't even watch this. I can't even watch this.
He's still freestyling.
Yo, I can't do it. He's gonna
put on the show. Let's give him a round of applause, guys. Gentlemen, put on one heck of a show.
He's gonna fucking flip that thing.
In the featured time race, the